Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how you can buy XRP in Canada. It's quite easy to do this. You're going to need a Kraken account, and by using our link, which is going to be in the description of this video, you can register and verify your Kraken account. So in order to get this done, open up your browser, and once your browser is opened up, you're dropped at kraken.com, where you simply click on the sign up option. It's just there. Select the sign up, and now we're going to be creating our personal account. This works for a personal account or a business account. Please take notes. And once you're on the page, simply enter your email, username, password, and the country of residence. So for the country of residence, simply click on the country of residence and simply search for Canada. Once you've selected Canada, click on the Canada option, and now simply enter your state, province, and click on the terms and service agreement. So once you've accepted the terms and service agreement, click on the create account option. And once that's done, proceed to download the Kraken mobile app. And in order to make use of the mobile app, open up the mobile app and click on sign in. That's after you've created an account. So your next step is to simply enter your email and password. So once you've done this, so guys, in order to make use of this mobile app, you're going to need to get your account verified. And in order to do that, head over to the account section at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once there, simply click on features and limits. So select features and limits. Okay, and once you've selected the features and limits, please make sure you verify your account. It's quite easy. It takes only a couple of minutes. And once you've verified, you get access to all of these features. So guys, once you've done that, once you've verified your account, head back and select the icon at the bottom of the screen. That's this straight icon here. Click on the buy crypto with cash. Click on buy crypto with cash. Select the Ripple. As you can see, it's already here. Select Ripple. Once you've selected Ripple, simply enter the amount of Ripple you wish to buy. So enter the amount. Okay, and all you need to do now is set the order type to buy now. You could set it as a recurring buy or a custom buy, but simply set it to buy now. And the pay with option is really simple. Click on the select option and add a card. So you could simply add any of your cards, your debit or your credit card, your MasterCard, or your Visa card. Add any of your cards here. Once you've proceeded to add your card, simply head back and click on the next option. Now, once you've selected the next option, you're going to be taken through a procedure where you can make the payment into the account and get your XRP. So guys, that's how you can get your XRP in Canada. Do comment down below if you have a question and you'd be given an answer. Thank you.